Bonjour, ma classe. I just wanted to come on and answer a few questions that I've been getting. I want to make sure we're all on the same page and you all are familiar and know how to navigate our VHL assignments. So when you first log in, you're going to be brought to your home page, your home screen. From here, you're going to have to click on our Decor book, okay? This is the book that we use in class. You should recognize the cover. It's got the red on it. If for some reason you see a different book, please let me know. I'll have to make sure that you have the right class. This is French 2. This is also the same book we use in French 1. We just use the first half of it. So you'll all be seeing the same book. So when I click on D'accord, you're going to see your assignments. Now, if you have not been accessing VHL throughout our year, you are going to see that you have a lot of assignments that are overdue. That is not where we are going to focus right now. Those are in the past. That's been all kind of throughout the year. I always put them on there before quizzes and tests, and there's been a few assignments that we've had. So don't worry about them. What I need you to do is scroll down to where it says regular assignments. So you'll have usually only one assignment on here. They're always due on Friday, and sometimes that one assignment might have a lot of mini assignments in there. So this particular one is due Friday, April 24th. There's 7 little assignments in there. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to give you an idea of about how long it takes. So this is about an hour for this group of assignments. Now, remember, some of this is our video tutorial. So it's not necessarily going to be 57 minutes of you working and putting in answers and things. It's going to be part of that is your learning time. You can break this up. I would suggest breaking it up. If I were you, I would watch the video, grammar tutorial, the Monsieur Ouf that we watch in class a lot. Take notes as you watch it, pause it as you need to, and then watch the tutorial I give you on our Google Classroom that's on our YouTube page so that you can see some of the tips and tricks I have for you for that assignment. And then go back and do maybe 1 or 2 assignments, and then you can take a break, come back, and do the rest of them. So I'm going to click Start. And when you first get there, you'll see you just can progress. They get progressively a little bit more difficult, more detailed as you go through. So always start with just the very first one. This is the video. This you can watch as we go through. Like I said, they get a little bit more difficult. I want to show you about accents, so I'm going to skip to the next assignment. Now, everyone's been asking me, not everybody, but a lot of people have asked me, what do? I don't know how to put the accents on there, and so they're still marking me wrong. Spelling does count. So when they grade you on the VHL, they are looking not just for the word, not for the conjugation, but also for the spelling, including the accent. So you need to make sure you're using all your resources to get your spelling just right. And you do have your notes. You do have access. You can open up your book on another tab. You can look through that as you're working, but do your very best. So what's going to happen is when I click to put my answer in, normally I just would type in my answer. If I have an accent somewhere in my word, as I'm typing and when I get to the letter that needs the accent, instead of typing that letter, I'm going to go right here to this blue A with accent grave. When I click on that, now I have a choice of all these other letters with accents, and I'm just going to pick the one that I need for that word. Once I pick it, let's say it was a se with a cedille, okay? I pick it. I can then close that out, and I can keep on typing the rest of the word, okay? So you don't need to worry. You can type it in, type in letters before it, you can type in letters after it, and you'll still have that accent on there, okay? When you are done, okay, and you save and you submit it, now, it says unlimited attempts remaining. You're going to want to make sure that you are doing your very best. I've had a lot of people going pretty quickly through the assignments, and it's very important that you try your best, because if you get a 0%, a 10%, a 30% on the assignment, I'm going to give you some guidance, and then I'm going to ask that you do it again. So really do try your very best. All right, that is how you use VHL. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you.